It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving southern and central Indiana. Does your water smell like a swimming pool? Does your shower leave your skin feeling dry and itchy? Or maybe you've noticed that crusty white buildup on your faucets and shower heads. Yeah, that's your water telling you something. Today we're talking about whole home water filtration systems, what they are, what they fix, and why your home might seriously need one. A whole home filtration system connects directly to your main water line, so every single faucet, shower, and appliance in your house gets cleaner, filtered water. Not just the kitchen sink. Here's how it works. Water enters your home and passes through a series of filter stages before it ever reaches you. First, a sediment pre-filter catches the big stuff: dirt, rust, sand, any particles floating around in your pipes. Then a carbon filter pulls out chlorine, odors, and chemical taste. If you have hard water, a softener stage swaps out those harsh minerals for something your pipes and skin can actually handle. All of that happens automatically every single day without you touching a thing. So what does it actually fix? Let's break it down. Hard water. That's mineral buildup, calcium and magnesium that wrecks your water heater, clogs your pipes, leaves spots on your dishes, and dries out your skin and hair. Chlorine taste and smell. If your tap water tastes like a public pool, the carbon filter takes care of that. Sediment and rust. Older homes especially, particles and iron in your water. The pre-filter catches all of it before it ever reaches your glass. The bottom line? A whole home filtration system protects your pipes, extends the life of your appliances, and makes your water better to drink, cook with, and shower in. Not sure what's in your water or which system is right for your home? Give us a call. We'll come out, check your situation, and walk you through your options. At Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, we handle all plumbing and HVAC concerns for homes and businesses across central and southern Indiana. From trenchless sewer lining that saves your yard to AC and furnace repair, installation, and everything in between, our licensed technicians get it done right. Give us a call today at 812-327-8080 or visit us online at www.riverwayplumbing.com.